That dog on the porch, he don't look like much, but he's 14 now, he means so much to me. The boys, to this family. See these ribbons in the case, don't matter to him. The titles on his name mean more to my friends, but he loves his putting miles on a duck boat, chasing ducks down coast to coast. He's more than a dog, he's my best friend. If it's 20 below, it don't matter to him. He's always up, ready to go, load up in the truck and sit in a hole. Yeah, he loves it.